Okay, example 2 of constructing a redox table. This time we're given a series of 4 different reactions. The first 2 are spontaneous because they're showing us products. And the next 2 are non-spontaneous because it says there's no evidence of reaction. So remember the steps for constructing a redox table. We work with one equation at a time, and we begin by identifying the OA and the RA. So equation 1, beryllium solid will be our reducing agent, and cadmium 2+ will be the oxidizing agent. It is spontaneous, so the OA should be above the RA. So our cadmium ions will be above beryllium in the redox table. Remember, the redox table is always written with oxidizing agents on the left, reducing agents on the right. So it's OA plus electrons to give us the RA. And we'll show cadmium 2+ above beryllium solid. So remember to leave space above, below, between, because we don't know where they're going to fit in. So cadmium 2 is above beryllium solid. Cadmium 2+ reacts to form cadmium solid, and beryllium ions have a charge of 2+. So we need 2 electrons to balance each of these half reactions. Equation 2, we have cadmium solid reacting with hydrogen ions. So cadmium solid will be the reducing agent. Hydrogen ions will be the oxidizing agent. And this one is also spontaneous. So the H+ will go above cadmium. So since cadmium is at the top of the table so far, the hydrogen ions will go above that. Hydrogen reacts to produce H2 gas, which means that I need 2 hydrogen ions to produce an H2 molecule and 2 electrons to balance. Equation 3, calcium is my OA, beryllium solid is my RA, and this is non-spontaneous. So this time the OA goes below the RA for a non-spontaneous reaction. So calcium 2+ will go below beryllium. Here's beryllium, so calcium 2+ goes below this. And this will react to form solid calcium plus 2 electrons to balance. Last equation, we have solid copper plus hydrogen ions. Solid copper is the reducing agent. Hydrogen ions are the oxidizing agent. Non-spontaneous, so hydrogen, the OA, will appear below copper, the RA. So copper, the reducing agent, should be above the hydrogen ions. So it's going to go right at the top of the table. Copper 2+ plus 2 electrons gives me solid copper. So here's our redox table. Remember that oxidizing agents increase. So the SOA, the strongest oxidizing agent, is top left. And reducing agents increase as you go down. So the strongest reducing agent will be at the bottom. To go back to the question, it asks us to identify the SRA and the SOA. So the SRA is solid calcium, and the SOA is copper 2+.